What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So in the last video you guys might have saw, I mentioned that we will be parting ways with the Ralliart, and there's some parts that I want to take off the car before I actually list it up for sale. So we just switch out the shift knob. I do want to swap out like the seats. The bright seats I am keeping, not selling them, putting the OEM seat back in. Possibly the headlights, the head unit, the wheels possibly. But yeah, today we're gonna be doing the seats. So I'll be taking off the bright Lomax seats. I love those seats, but they feel like race car seats. So I've been meaning to take them out, swap them out for a while, just because, well, they look cool. It's my daily driver, and it's, you know, it's really stiff. Feels like I'm driving a race car everywhere I go. So yeah, the plan is we'll be swapping that out with the OEM seats today. Here is my 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart, and let's show you guys the bright Lomax seats we currently have in it. Gorgeous seats, love how they look. The bright Lomax seats. Super bucket also has the bright brackets, and on the back, nice look to it. Yeah, so very nice seats, gorgeous seats. I've had a lot of people want to buy these seats off me, but personally I'm not a huge fan of the mismatched seats. I would either both have matching seats or, you know. But bolstering is really very firm on the sides, the hips, the thighs. Like I said, full race car. Only thing is, every time I get in and out of it, because it's my daily driver, the bolstering on the side is very high, so I have to kind of crawl out of it. So yeah, super easy to install and uninstall it. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts holding it in place. Comes right off. So all you need is a 15mm wrench. Come right out. Super easy. Okay, so we have the seat out, but since I have the seat belt attached, you want to make sure to unbolt it. Also have all this zip tied underneath the seat, so make sure to attach all that. This is for your seat belt light sensor. Alright, seat belt's out, so just gotta reattach it back to the stock seats. Also have all these plastic covers, one for each side. Yeah, gonna make it look nice and clean. Alright, stock seats going back in. Since I bought the car, we haven't rode in the stock seats because the whole time we had the bright Lomax seats in it. Looks cool but very stiff. So right now, we want to make sure to put it back, reconnect all these plugs, and yeah, good to go. Right, seat is back in. Right now I'm just gonna feed the bolts. You want to make sure before you do that, everything is all clipped together, the seat belt wire, airbags, all that. And then for these seats, you don't want to cross thread them, so make sure the bolts, you kind of feed it in by hand first as much as you can before using the gun, because it's very easy to cross thread these bolts, so make sure that doesn't happen. And once you're done with the fronts, you want to go ahead and scoot up the seat so you have more space to work here in the back. Same thing, make sure to thread it in by hand before you use the gun. It's a really easy install to swap out seats, and every car is the same. I've done it on a bunch of different cars, swapping out seats. Done it in the EK Civic I had, my Mitsubishi Lancer, S2000, a Ralliart, pretty much almost every car I own. So make sure it's nice and snug. And then you want to use this, shoot it in lightly or a ratchet. Final step is just putting the plastic piece back on. Alright, seat install all done. What do you guys think? OEM seats definitely don't look as cool as the Bright seats, but you know, nice and comfy for daily driving. Alright, I'm gonna end off the vlog here. So I'm currently in the process of also spring cleaning, so you guys can see, trying to make more space here in the garage. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys like the stock seats in the Ralliart, or do you guys like the Bright seats? I know most of you guys are gonna say the Bright seats are better, but yeah, we'll be keeping them and not selling them. We actually have it loaded up in the wagon. The plan is I'll be moving the seats to the family house. So no, I'm not getting rid of them. If anyone's trying to buy them, I am not selling them. Here are the seats. Like having the wagon, I get to transport a lot of stuff. So yeah. And if you guys stayed to the end, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.